guys, how's it going? Thanks for joining me. Today I have a weird video I'm making. It's gonna be like a over the course of a week type video, I'm pretty sure, because I'm getting my car wrapped finally. So this is me heading out to get some gas. As you can tell, I have like negative gas right now. We're gonna get some gas. The last time this car will be blue at a gas station, unless I get the car unwrapped for some reason, but obviously. So that's where we're headed. After that, we're just gonna go straight to the wrap shop. It's about 50 minutes away in a very remote part of Colorado. It's gonna be interesting. I wonder if I'll get some cool shots of anything out there. And then I think, honestly, the next time I'll be joining you is when the car is fully complete. So looking forward to that for sure. Trying to think, is there anything I'm forgetting to mention? There is. I'm ordering some black badges. Well, I've ordered them 2 weeks ago now, but only one set of them has arrived. I'll show them to you in a second here. But unfortunately, the other one has not gotten here before I need to hand them over to the wrap shop to put them on, since they'll match better to the color of the wrap that I'm getting. So I was hoping to get both of them at the same time, so I didn't have to drive out there a second time, you know, to save myself a trip there. But whatever, you know, I did what I could do with the amount of time that I was given. So whenever that one gets here, I'll just drive back and give them the second set of emblems. But yeah, we're gonna get blacked out emblems for the car as well. It's gonna look great. Hold on. I think yeah, here we could do some assisted steering. Oh, for a second, yes, and then I can show you. Bam, there it is. Beautiful. All right, I'll catch you at the gas station. All right, man, this is one of the last times you'll see this car blue. So I just figured I'd take one last video at least of it. Just gave it a wash, so figured it was a good time. There it goes. All right, so I was just driving normally, and Autumn pulls up in front of me out of a random parking lot. I think she was watching my, you know, my, what's it called? My position on Find Your Friend or something like that. And then she waited until I got close enough to pull up in front of me. But that was really funny. She's here, obviously, to take me home since I won't have a car, but that was really, really cool. It felt like it was a scripted action sequence, guys. But here we are, 3 minutes away. All right, so I actually did not really record a lot of my interactions with Cody at the wrap shop. It was mostly just me dropping the keys off, being like, hey, this is the car. Thanks for, you know, wrapping it and everything. And he's like, all right, bet, I'm going to get to work. So it was a quick in and out, like 5 minutes, really quick. I didn't really film anything because there was not much to film. And honestly, same on the return. I basically just got there. He's like, hey, here's the car. It looked awesome. And right away we reversed it out into the sun because we wanted to take some pictures before the sun went away so that we could get it to look good. I forgot to mention his wrap shop is called Venti Goods. I'll leave all the stuff linked in the description. Obviously, please check him out. He does really cool stuff. He's done a really cool Acura NSX. He's done a really sweet Mercedes in this awesome purple that I really like. And he's done a couple other cars. I think he did a Hellcat in camo, which is really sick. But please check him out. And without further ado, here's my new wrap. What do you think? I love how it looks. It is a little bit darker than I expected, which is a good thing. I thought it was a little lighter green from what I could tell in the pictures, but apparently it looks lighter in pictures, so that's great. I actually was hoping for a darker color because the color is called Pearl Dark Green. It looks really cool. It definitely breaks some necks outdoors. I saw a lot of people looking at it just on my drive home. It's really cool. I love the color. Everybody that I've seen in person loves the color. I hope you like it too. You know, here's some more clips, and I'll get back to you when I'm inside the garage. Here we go. All right, guys, just got home. I recorded some videos, but unfortunately, I was not able to do any good audio or anything while I was out there because it was the windiest day known to man. So you would have just heard the wind and none of us. But we're home. The wrap looks awesome. It's a lot better than I thought. It doesn't come off super well on the camera. It looks bluer on camera. It looks lighter on camera than it is in real life. I'll have to get some good pictures when it's like full daytime and everything, but it looks great. I'm really happy with it. There's only one thing left to do, and it's to get the black badge covers on. So I'll be doing that, and then I think the look will be complete. So here we go with these, I guess. All right, well, I guess all I have to do is just slap it on there and make sure it stays. There we go. That's simple enough. I think the black matches the lighter green color a lot more. I wasn't mad when it was silver on blue, but I am mad about silver on green. So here we are, guys. All right, there it is. I think that looks a lot better. All right, let's nail the back one as well. Make sure it's covered in there. I think I did it. Let me go get a flashlight real quick. Here, let's get some light on it. There we go. Oh man, it's already dusty. It was a very unfortunate dirt road situation that I was stuck in on my way home from the wrap, but here we go. I am really digging the black badge look. We've got this here as well. I bet you might have seen this in previous clips that was on there before. All right, I think that is it. I'll catch you guys at a car show near me, not near you.